2011 Volkswagen Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family friendly with a great price. Agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, CD changer, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, CD player, bucket seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.